My name is Mpuluki Kelvin Pule. I am a co-founder and the current managing director of IoT Communications. I have a master's degree in electronics and telecommunications engineering with more than 8 years industrial experience. We realized there was a gap in the local wireless technology service offering. So we then decided to deploy a network service that is specifically designed to serve the low bandwidth application market. And our network service will make it easy and cost effective for individuals to manage the operational and safety state of the assets. Firstly, in order for someone to be able to operate a business similar to ours, you need to get a license from the regulator, specifically BOCRA, Botswana Communications Regulatory Authority. Our first encounter with JICA was in the year 2020 when they first launched their business plan competition. Our project was chosen as one of the top 5 to receive funding from JICA. The project was considered amongst one of those that were considered innovative and having a high impact towards addressing issues of the COVID-19 pandemic. Our biggest challenge, with running startup, before you reach the commercialization phase, you often need to develop a proof of concept, or what we normally call a prototype, so that you can demonstrate the value of your solution or service offering to potential investors or potential customers. And for us, in our business case, developing such is quite costly, and that was quite a challenge for us to be able to prototype or develop a simple proof of concept. Our clients range from individuals, private sector companies to government. Basically, our network service addresses anyone with a need to remotely monitor the safety status or operational status of their assets. This is a wireless smartwatch or wristband. It is equipped with sensors for monitoring body temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, and geolocation. Whether someone is indoors or outdoors, you can use this smart wristband to track the geographical location. So it is mainly used for monitoring the safety status and geographical whereabouts of people with a need for protective surveillance. It can be applied in places such as hospitals, for patient safety surveillance. It can also be used at schools for monitoring the safety status and whereabouts of children. It can also be used to protect people with special needs, or the elderly who need people to take care of them. This is the type of device that we used at Life Gaborone Private Hospital. It's a device which is more suited for an elderly person. As you can see, it's a bit bulky. It's a device that's for an elderly person, but it monitors the same parameters as this device, which is the one that we used for the use case at Ambrose Academy. As you can see from the form factor, it's small, portable, more suitable for children. But both of these two devices, they do exactly the same thing. It's just a difference in size and form factor. So they are both able to monitor those parameters, like I was saying, temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. And they also come with buttons. You push this button,
it will trigger an SOS alert. And they're able to monitor the whereabouts of someone who is putting them on. Whether someone is inside or outside, they will show on the map where the person is located at that particular time.
My name is Maxwell Mishek. I'm the Operations Engineering Manager for Life Havron Private Hospital. Life Havron Private Hospital is a client for IoT Communications. The services that they provide to us, it's remote monitoring of those equipment that we have in the hospital. Currently, they have provided us with a few monitoring sensors for some of our equipment, such as the mortuary. They've also provided us with a water meter for actually measuring the water consumption for our renal unit. The benefits of IoT services that we are getting, it has greatly assisted me in terms of reducing the downtime of my equipment, also resources, because now I don't have to go around checking all these equipment that I've installed sensors. I can simply check them while I'm at my desk. I highly recommend the services that are provided by IoT to anyone who is interested, because I have evidence of that it can reduce the amount that you spend on resources, and also improves the quality of equipment that you are using.
Our plan is to deploy a carrier-grade infrastructure that will support the use cases in our business space. And we also plan to become the preferred network service provider for remote asset monitoring solutions.